This is Euro 14936. I had a feeling as well. Oh, you've got more up for, I think, Monday and Tuesday as well. One?
NBL?
Yeah.
You're
2?
beauty.
3. I don't know how much we have or whatever.
Get more Brady Maynards.
And 5. Top is Scotland. Scotland wins.
Some more Kai Sottos.
Yeah, no. Bryce Cottons.
Nick Baricey. Jesse Wagstaff. They're all, the whole crew's there.
Yeah. The Scots go to Victor Lee.
Jesse Wagstaff is like one of my favourite NBL players. Just Mr. Reliable.
Yeah.
He's one of those players, minutes ago, game 7 of the series, down by 4. You're like, you know what? Give it to Wags.
Yeah, he'll do the old bladder, separates on the ball, gets 5.
No idea how. Goes up against 3 defenders, looking like Lionel Messi playing basketball. And still makes it work.
Did you see my left-handed knife today?
I saw your left-handed knife and nearly cut myself with it because it's weird. Mainly because it's for lefties.
Yep. See, look at that.
Now I know what it's like to be you with everything else in
Yes. I'm just going to slowly replace everything with left-handed stuff. Even stuff I'm not left-handed with, like I'll give you a left-handed mouse, left-handed keyboard, you know.
Left-handed broom.
Yeah, just, well, listen, I was like, how can there be left-handed knives? And then I had a right-handed knife. And
It's over.
it's so obvious.
All right,
Motherfucker.
I'm going home.
Enjoy your weekend, Baumgartner.
I'm going to time zone for Abby's birthday tomorrow.
Oh, what?
How good's that for
Van
a
and
kid's
Hop.
birthday? 5-year-old's birthday party gets time zone.
Is it for time? Is it for the 5-year-old or is it for you?
Look, it doesn't matter about my 13,000 tickets that I'm saving. Abby gets 1,200 preloaded to my card.
Oh no!
You think you get anything more
Oh
than some lollies?
no!
You get 100 tickets worth of lollies, kid.
Mosaic Sharp. Oh no! You've Fraser Courtois.
400 tickets for every other kid. Just load them onto this card for me.
Oh no! You have completely dogged the boys.
Fuck them kids.
Brooke's chosen what I'm doing for this weekend, and none of it's fun. Jonas Vind.
Do you want to come to time?
Yeah, can I come to time zone? I'll take the train
Actually,
up.
one of my mates did call in sick to it.
Oh,
so,
no.
You do have a free ticket there if you want one.
Listen,
You get 400 tickets credited to my card.
I want to be a part of that.
So,
Goodbye. Gerbich. McBurney. Mosaic of Bastoni. Silver Robertson. Pitchmaster Moutinho. Stefan De Vries. This is the quietest this room has been for a very long time. But just for those playing at home, select football full. So that'll be next. Malin. Potent. Someone else should definitely get into a box of mosaics while we... Mosaic of WWE. Mosaic rookie Tyler Roberts, Brozovic, Zelensky, Matavienko. Feels like I'm wearing nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Stoll Dmitrievsky. Bayata. Obliakov. Mosaic Doku. Blue Gravy Train for the Netherlands. Nice card there. Numbered to 99. And Adam Lang, Mosaic rookie. International Meta Mastery. All right, what else have we got? Get into Slappers. I've loaded it up. It's going to have 2 SP Authentics. Wow, 2 SP Authentics. What a madman. Marcus Thuram. Red Cruz. Salai Yoyino. 5 weeks sucks ass. Why would I want less football? Potence. You gone crazy modes? Velkovsky. Rodak. It's TFM for the Netherlands. Timothy Fosu Mensah. TFM. Mosaic, Kaveci, Silva, Dolberg, Xhaka, and montage of Mehmedi. Swoey. Mosaic, Tammy Abraham. Silva Traore, Romagnoli, and Montage Robertson. Why do you need 3 points for the buy? Just don't give them 3 points. Like, it literally makes 0 sense. Giving points for the buy sucks ass. Mosaic, Zubkov for Ukraine, red Lobotka. Kante and Kuka. Slappers and Machos. Ooh. Why is this so finicky? Mikhailichenko. Alioski. Mosaic Domshop. Pink of Jonathan Tah for Germany. Over to 49. Finland and IMM. Oh, what's that about? Oh, yes. I get the old Trinkout. I get the old saving thing, Karavyev. Mosaic Besse. So DCL, Ben Davies. If nobody gets the 3 points, it's fine. Like, it just makes no sense to give them 2 points when you could also just not give points. Nico Williams. Why would you want participation award? A demi? Just don't give it. Bakiev, Kufal. Mosaic of Cornelius. Red, Kamara, Palmieri, and Arnautovic. Means you can't read the season until the very last game. Marcus Force. Mosaic, Pau Torres. That's a good point, Harry. Silver, Yoxlu, Baldelj, Pitchmasters, Pundev. Two SP Authentic boxes in Slackers tonight. And plus some other stuff. Tyler Roberts after Thuram. Lobotka. Baumgartner. Mosaic Dejan. No. Silva Augustinson. Schmeichel. Monnier. No, I planned originally to be out by like 5 or 6. Alioski. Karavyev. Mosaic Lobotka. Mosaic Lenglet. Silva Jonas Vind. Pitchmasters Blind. Dorita. Come on, big 1-on-1 or something. Kamavinga. Verscheren, Mosaic, Yaramchuk. Silva, Mason Mount, Matavilyenko, Montage, Schmeichel. Baku. I think it's what, the Melbourne Storm and the Bulldogs both Valiant, Taylor, Gurbich. Mosaic, Traore. Red, Kufal, Silva, and Blind. Yes, absolutely it is, Bailey. Like, I don't get why it's so cheap at all. Zubkov, McBurney, Zanka, Velkovsky. Mosaic, Jean Gregas. Silva, Lenglet, Dorita, Gregors. I mean, he absolutely is, but his point is completely valid. The fact that this product doesn't get more love is absolutely, like, ridiculous. Force. I think we'll look back on it, Gunok, when we're selling it for $100 a box. Kaveci for Turkey. Blue, that's number 99. Courtois and Fyodor Zelensky. Like, $100 a box or whatever the hell it is going to be a ridiculous price once it all kind of goes through. Once the product stops existing, Dmitrievsky, Boyata, Obliakov, Mosaic Augustinson, Red Boyata, Salai Hradecki, Just ridiculous. Camavinga. Mulder, Orban. Mosaic of Doku. Hey, Lukey, how are you? Red Alcantara, Sterling, and Kovacic. I'm listening. I had a look at some of the posts in a... So, Di Lorenzo, Seager, Joswiak, Mosaic Livakovic, Red Obliakov, Firenze, Thibaut Courtois. Baumgartner. Auto, Dean Henderson. Very nice. Mosaic McLean, Silikovic, montage of Salah rookie. Mosaic. Sal, Di Lorenzo, Krovsky. Mosaic DCL, Silva Jota. Base pile, Pereira, Jikia. I've caught the Dions. The base pile is just tipped over. Yep. Carrington. Zalai, Mosaic de Jong, Silva, Besse, De'Aaron Zuba. Nico Williams, Ademi, Bakayev, Kufal, Mosaic Koch, Red and Bolo, Schmeichel, Rodri. There should still be an auto left. You leaving? Wow, how rude, Carrington, Gravenberch. Don't you want to come do my job?
Yeah.
Holmo,
I wish I
Dalsgaard,
could stay.
Daviv, and nice, Serge Gnabry auto. That's nice, isn't it? Serge Gnabry's pretty good.
Pretty good. That's pretty nice.
Mosaic Cornelius, Silva Lewandowski, Metamasri, and Lukaku.
Is this your last box?
Yes, last packs. I pulled a U and knocked the base pile over. Sorry. Dalsgaard, Silva de Jong, Rodri, and Hradecki.
That's little Bentley.
Yeah. Trinkout. Mosaic Petkovic, Red Cruz, Newer, and Bernardo Silva. Be careful, they can hear everything you're saying over there, and that is Euro 14936.
I was just saying that my son sucks.
Oh, what? Why?
Oh.
He's so loud.